Good morning, dear friend. I am Reshma Jain. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on basics of computer networks. Basically, a computer network or data network is a telecommunication network that allows computer to exchange data. In computer networks, computing devices passes data to each other along data connections. A network can be defined as two or more computers connected together in such a way that they can share resources. Networking, you can't live without it, like Facebook, Google, Twitter, WhatsApp, Yahoo, Amazon. These terms are very familiar. We are using on daily basis. So the purpose of a network is to share the resources. Our resources may be a file, it may be a folder, a printer, a disk drive, or just about anything else that exists on a computer. A network is simply a collection of computers or other hardware devices that are connected together, either physically or logically, using the spatial hardware and software to allow them to exchange information and cooperate. Basically, networking is the term that describes the process involved in designing, implementing, upgrading, managing, and otherwise working with networks and network technology. What are the advantages of networking? Basic advantages: connectivity and communication, data sharing, hardware sharing, internet access sharing, data security and management, performance enhancement and balancing, and entertainment. What are the disadvantages? Network hardware, software and setup cost, hardware and software management and administration cost, undesirable sharing, illegal or undesirable behavior, data security concern. So these are the disadvantages. Now, types of networks. So here we are discuss about basically three types of network. That is local area network, which is established in limited area. Say inside a building block, inside a small campus like 1 kilometer in range. Metropolitan area network, it is a big network. It is the collection of some small areas networks. And wide area network, it covers all the countries around it. Right. So these are the three types of the network. Now we are detailing here about the local area network. Basically, it is a computer network that interconnects computers in a limited area, such as a home, school, computer laboratory, office building using network media. Typically, connected device shares the resources of a single processor or server within a small geographic area. A local area network may serve as a few, as 2 or 3 users, or as many thousands of users. This is the diagram of local area network. Here, 5 nodes are interconnected. They are exchanging information in between them. Now, next is the metropolitan area network. In this area, small local areas are interconnected to form a metropolitan area. MAN is a computer network spread over a city. Cable television network is an example of MAN. Cable television network, it is an example of MAN. The computers in a MAN are connected using coaxial cables or fiber optics cable. MAN also connects several LAN spread over a city. Now, wide area network. Wide area WAN is a network that connects computers over the long distances, like cities, countries, continents, or worldwide. Wide area network uses public leased or private communication links to spread over the long distances. WAN uses telephone lines, satellite links, and radio link to connect. The need to be able to connect any number of computers at any numbers of sites results in WAN technology to be different from the LAN technology. WAN network must be able to grow itself. Internet is a common example of WAN. This is the diagram of it. Now we compare LAN with its ranges, media uses, speed, cost, equipment used. So ranges of LAN is about 1 to 10 kilometers. In 1 to 10 kilometers, you can establish a LAN network. MAN till 100 kilometers or WAN beyond the 100 kilometers. Media, what kind of media we use in LAN? Guided media, we can use it. In MAN, we use guided as well as unguided. Both of the medias we can use in MAN. Uses unguided media while we are creating the wide area network, like satellite. Speed 10 to 100 Mbps speed is available on LAN network. 5 to 10 Mbps speed is on MAN and 256 kbps to 2 Mbps in WAN network. Cost LAN, when we establish LAN network, it is cheaper. In case of MAN, it is costly. When we grow our network, when we enhance the range of our network, so it will become costly. Or in case of wide area network, it will become very expensive. What are the equipment used in LAN? NIC, switch, hub board. With the help of these equipment, we can establish our LAN network. In MAN, modem, routers, by using modem and routers, we can establish MAN network. Or in case of wide area network, microwaves, radio waves, infrared lasers wave, we are using in wide area network. Now come to the network topology. Topology, basically it is the arrangement of the various elements or links or nodes of a computer network. When we establish a computer network, suppose 1,000 nodes are there, so how we can establish it and which pattern we can design it. So it is the arrangement of the nodes, that is the network topology. Physical topology refers to the placement of the network's various components, including device location, cable installation, while logical topology shows how the data flows within a network regardless of its physical design. Now come to the types of topology. So there are 5 types of topology: bus topology, star, ring, mesh, tree. Now come to the bus topology. In bus topology, local area networks where bus topology is used, each node is connected to a single cable. Each computer server is connected to the single bus cable. A single signals from the source travels in both directions to all the machines connected on the bus cable until it finds the intended recipients. This is the diagram of bus topology. A single cable isn't there and different nodes are connected with the same cable. The machine's address does not match the intended address for the data. The machine ignores the data. Alternatively, if the data matches the machine address, the data is assigned. Now come to the star topology. So it is form of the star, as the name implies. In local area network, it is used in local area network. With a star topology, each network host is connected to the central hub. Here is a star. In the center, server is there, which is called central hub with the point-to-point connections. In star topology, every node or workstations, any other peripheral is connected to central node is called hub or switch. The switch is the server and the peripherals are the client. Here switches work as a server. Right? Ring topology. A ring topology network in which each node connects to exactly 2 other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for signal through each node or ring. Data travels from node to node with each node along the way, handling every packet. Because a ring topology provides only one pathway between any 2 nodes, ring networks may be disrupted by the failures of single links. So this is the diagram of ring topology. A node failure or cable break might be isolated. Every node attached to the ring. Last is the mesh topology. It is the type of network topology where each node must not only captures and disseminated its own data, but also serve as a relay for the other nodes. That is, it must collaborate to propagate the data in the network. Now, next is the tree. This is the particular type of network topology based on hierarchy of the nodes. Highest label of any tree network consists of a single root node. This node connected either a single in the level below point to point. These lower level nodes are also connected to a single or multiple nodes. Each node in the network has a specific fixed number of nodes connected to it. At the end, lower level is hierarchy. This number refers to as a branching factor of the tree. So this is the diagram of the tree topology. So I hope this is the basic of all computer networks. Thank you.